Yes!
No way, dude. Really? Ooh, that's good.
It looks like it. Oh,
The rods.
that's another largie, dude. Swim at me. Thanks, buddy. So friggin' healthy. Yeah?
Bass.
There you go, buddy.
Get away from that wall, dude.
Dude, that's what all mine did. They ran right for that corner.
2 bass. Thanks, bud. Might have to change your trailer.
I feel like if I don't hit it just right, I get stuck. Well, yeah, it depends. If I either get stuck on it or I catch a fish off it, I swear to God.
Yeah, buddy. I can't even tell anymore. It's like it's either gonna be a hard fighting little fish or it's gonna be something big.
It's a good one, though. I mean, they're all good.
Yeah, it is. A 3-pounder. Oh, there's slaying 3-pounders all. Ridiculous.
Champlain's special. When that's your average, that's dumb. I'm just gonna stand here and watch till you catch one.
Don't do that.
I'm gonna do it.
take
Good
a
morning. We're back at it. Day 3 on Lake Champlain. We've already caught like 8 fish, but it was raining and it was supposed to be more rain, so we were like, oh, okay, we'll hold off for now. And then we set up the GoPros and he missed a fish. It's okay. So definitely much different weather. Honestly, makes me happy because my legs cannot take another day of the sun that it did the last 2 days. Plus, some of our best days are when it's like this, kind of junky out, and the water temp is right for that to happen. So, jigs, spinnerbaits, square bills, hope for the best. I just dropped one, right?
Got one.
There you go.
Dude, he hammered it.
Right after popping it off the rock.
Yep. That was cool. I'd like to see that hit on camera. Rod was like, da da da!
Oh, God.
Oh, right.
Okay.
Ooh,
That's better. Is it bigger? Oh, not really.
No,
actually.
not really. Just strong. A little better.
Very consistent out of that spot.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm gonna call that 11.
Oh, yeah, that's a fish.
Yeah, buddy. Nope, no largie.
Oh, there's another one right behind it. That's a big smallie.
I'm coming.
Holy, that's a 5-pound smallie, dude.
Is he still there?
Yeah, he went down. That was a 5-pound smallie all day.
Yeah, it was. Holy.
Wow, that was big. Chased out a largie.
That was wild.
I've never seen that before.
No. God.
Yeah, buddy.
Dude, that's it. First cast back with a sniper. That's a big smallie. Nice. Thank you, sir.
That's big.
That is big.
That's real big.
That's
4. It's 4 1/4.
Yes. Thank you. Where's that? Yeah, it's buried in there somewhere. There we go. We saw that come up earlier.
I think that's the one. If not, one's in the same school.
It's probably gonna be like 4.2.
4-1.
4 pounds, 1 ounce. 3-2. Finally, 4-pound smallie. I need a picture. Sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
I just realized.
That's crazy. It's the first 4-pound smallie we've caught here. Got one though.
Thanks,
Fall
buddy.
over. Nice fish, dude.
Hell yeah.
It's the one you were waiting for.
Yep. I'm so glad I threw back up there one more time, that sniper.
Set the hook and I'm like, I don't know, that seems kind of big. I might put my rod down. Where's my rod? Did I cast it out? No, I was sitting down. All right, whew.
As soon as it jumped.
Try it again. There could be a bigger one up there.
All right.
If he sees that one, he's like, oh, okay, it's good to eat then.
Yep.
Oh my God.
Need the net?
That's just a largie.
Oh. Just a largie.
A good one.
Hell yeah, dude.
I came up over a rock and I lifted up and it was just super light still. I'm like, that should be on the bottom. Oh, he got one. Nice.
Hell, oh, you get a picture? Did you get a picture yet? No, you didn't. That's a good one.
I got a picture of the first smallie, I think.
Yeah, it's frayed way up here. Oof. I'm afraid not.
Me jumping in the boat might come a lot sooner than it being summer. I mean, jumping off the boat. Oh, wow.
Just tell me that.
Buddy. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe not. I think it's a large because he's staying down. He doesn't feel super heavy. He kind of does. Haven't seen him yet. Big, small, he ain't that big, but he's big enough. That might be a 4. That might be a 4.
Yeah, it's a 4. Holy shit. That's even bigger. Nice job.
Thank you.
That's bumping 5.
You think so?
Look at how
Okay.
tall it is. Dude, it's 412.
You serious?
You gonna show that off too? 4 pounds, 12 ounces? Holy
412? I'll take
Wow.
it. It didn't even feel that big. I mean, it felt big, yes. But, like, the way it was fighting, like, it didn't come up like a smallie.
Yeah.
And it was,
what a beautiful fish.
and it felt like all the other 3.5 pound largies we had.
Yep.
That's sick,
Hey, we both got our first 4 pound smallies of the year
right?
within 5 minutes of each other.
Yeah, seriously. 5-10 minutes. Yeah.
Oh my god!
Big.
Tell me that's another big one.
Please be another big one.
God, that didn't want to move.
Yeah, that
He's
one
coming
did,
out.
That one didn't either. Holy.
Tell me we're on the right school, buddy. God damn!
4 pounder.
Tell me we're on a good school. Holy.
Let me get back in there.
Yeah.
Good job, dude. Yeah, weigh that thing. That's got to be close to 4.
3.5.
Really?
Yeah. Strong fish though. Damn. Where we at? 3.5. Going back. Beautiful.
I missed one.
No.
Yeah.
They must have just moved in. I really hope we can continue to capitalize on this.
Oh, he's missing another one. Buddy.
God, dude, that cast is so good. That's all right.
Largie.
Go ahead, buddy.
Yeah, I legitimately couldn't tell either, and I had almost a 5 pounder.
Trailer's what's getting her done. Yeah?
Yeah.
You ain't told me nothing yet.
That's a 4 pound largie.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Dude, that's unbelievable.
Get a picture of that.
Oh my god. Ugh.
Hey. That one's got to be close to 4.
That's a 4.
He's still swimming.
Oh yeah. I mean, I got a 4 pound 2 ounce smallie. He got a 4 pound 12 ounce. I got a 3.5. He just
4.5.
4 pound 5 ounce largemouth. Yep.
Coming under you.
Yep, dude.
Didn't see it, but I heard it. Smaller or largie?
Smallie. Blow. Blow. Thanks, buddy.
Another 3 pounder, 3.5.
I'll take that all day. Oh my god. Your turn. Or just some more of these Yamamotos if they have them.
Right off the drop right there.
Hell yeah.
Oh, Argy. Get away from the boat, dude. Jesus. I don't know what an 8-pounder would feel like. Jesus Christ.
A boulder?
Huh?
A boulder?
I thought you said older.
Oh, my school of fish right here. Dude, you can see everything on the 360.
Really?
Felt that. What a bite. Oh, he turned. Nope. Hell yeah. Where'd those bigger fish go?
Got him.
Yeah. I'm waiting to see if I need a net.
I don't know. Feels like he's getting heavier.
Yep.
I should have said before you grabbed the net, but
That's another 4, I think. It's gonna be close.
yeah, I think it's like, no, it's not even.
3 3/4 probably.
Maybe 3.5.
You were close. 3.7.
Later, dude. Thank you. That was cool. Popped off a rock and boom.
I felt that grab. Oh! It felt weird. Because
You. I'm really happy for you. Little Ardy?
yeah.
Nice.
That felt weird because you dude, look at the dome on him. Look at you gonna grow up to be big and strong? I don't even know. 31.
There is a tree in there, so.
Yeah, I see it. I'm hopefully right beside it.
Oh, it's a nice Margie.
Is that another 4? I need help.
Yeah. Coming.
Yeah,
Hold on.
that's a 4. Thank you. And we're almost slammed into the wall. Ah, yeah, dude. Underneath our feet.
Right? It's all Argies right there, too. Well,
That's-
I got that one smallie out of there, but the rest of them are all Argies.
Another big old, oh, dude.
Cool.
Thanks, buddy.
Yes, sir.
That's gotta be 4.
Made the scale out already, just keeping it out.
4-1.
4-1.
4-1. This has been fun. This has been real fun. What a beautiful fish. Dude, I can't believe that was right there.
I just cast in there, too. They're just moving in and out of here.
Wrong way.
Wrong way.
I don't get why you can't oh, I spoke too soon. I was literally just about to say, I don't get why you can't catch them just from casting right here. Oh my God.
How big was that?
That was
4?
another 4.
Let's park right here and cast at it.
God.
Hey, we moved.
I set the hook hard on that too, man. There he is. Yeah. It
Ooh,
was
I
that
can
time. Oh, that's. Oh,
Buddy.
nice catch, bud. Whew. Another 4, please. Thank you.
Close to it, yeah.
Yes, yeah, damn it.
I need to catch.
What'd you say?
I need to catch.
Oh, I thought you said I needed to catch up. I was like, mother, you got a 4 3/4 smallie. You know how hard it is to get one that big. Dude, that's another solid fish.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I just drag.
Yep.
3.5, going back. So many fish like that. God damn. Wow, with gusto. There we go. To keep it consistent. Yep. Is he way out?
Just another like 2-pound smallie.
Check out what I did to that bait. I trimmed the sides too to skin it
Oh,
up a little bit.
Hey.
I think we may have finally killed the school, buddy.
Yeah, because there's already like 3 casts we were getting a fish.
Yeah.
Probably give it a break.
Yeah. Which is good because I am stuck. All right, let's run. I don't see it a problem whatsoever that I will essentially have 4 jig rods when John gets me mine done.
Yeah, I don't see that as being a problem either.
No.
That was right off the end of the dock. Thanks, pal. See ya.
Yep, felt that. You got there, Super Chief?
No way.
Yep. Oh.
Did it break?
No, me game unpinned.
That's big.
It was. It was. I was not winning that fight at all. Are you kidding me, dude? Is there something wrong with... Unreal.
Oh, sorry. You just gotta reenact everything about that.
That's 3 big fish I've lost in the last 2 days.
I wonder if there's a fish hanging off that marker buoy.
I did have a fish that whole time. No kidding.
What?
Yeah. Thank you.
See me move like lightning?
Dude, that was off the right side of this rocky point. Another good one. Beast Coast Maxfield jig that time. Dude, there's nothing better than just cracking fish over and over again on a jig. That looked a lot bigger. That's
3 3/4.
3 3/4. Do you have any idea how many fish this size we've caught this weekend? It's insane. That's like fish number 40 today, by the way. Yep. Oh. He's not that big, but okay. Crankbait, buddy.
That's pretty sick.
I got one little treble in
You
him.
want the net?
Yes, please. I thought I hit the log. That stopped hard. Whew. Thanks, buddy.
Yes, sir. Neat. Yeah, dude. That's cool. So they're out here. Is that still falling or?
Dude, I barely had him.
Oh, dude, he's caught on the fall.
Hell yeah. We love cribs.
Right?
Is that still falling?
No.
Shoot.
That was cool. That was real cool. I didn't even have to fish it.
I'm so glad I retied and brought all these rods just to throw 3.
Hey, if we get nothing off these or like 1 or 2 off these, whatever, we just go right back to the cut for a few minutes.
Yeah, we can.
I am DTF. Down to fish.
Ooh, that felt grabby. Yep.
Sure did. Oh, crankbait action, huh?
1 treble.
You got 2.
Nope, now he's got them all.
He's like, here, let me help you.
He's like, if I throw them all in, will this make this easier?
That felt grabby.
As soon as they popped out of the grass. Hell yeah. Cutie.
I bet if you throw back across that, you'll get another one.
Okay. Get him. Yep. Look at him go. Wow. That is a ferocious fighter.
I love when they jump like that.
It's good fish.
Cool. Ow. Ow. Oh.
Oh. Ooh.
Good.
I think it is.
I got a fish.
I thought I hit a rock, dude. No, he's not that good. I just got him weird. Oh, actually, that's a 4.
Pretty good. Here you
Thank
go.
Yep.
Crankbait, huh?
Maybe. I don't think it's a 4. Dude, it's so fat, though. Look at that thing.
Oh yeah, dude, That's a crazy looking fish.
You want to throw a crankbait?
Kind of do, honestly. But
Do it! Now's the time. Right off the point again. 314.
damn. Is that a call?
Nope. I got nothing but 4s on the board now, bud. 314 on the square bill. Dude, I need a picture of that.
Sorry, but
You're good. Wow, dude, I didn't again, it just like stopped, but it was like a spongy stop. It's not a thump. It feels like you just went into a patch of weeds before hitting a rock. And you saw me, I was just like,
yeah.
ah.
Actually, I want to do it on a spin around because that's fun.
Yeah, honestly, it's probably better anyway because you got better drag control with it.
Right.
And those hooks are,
Especially.
eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Yes!
Good one. Holy dude.
It's a largie.
Largie.
That was awesome. Watch him come rocketing out for that. I assumed correctly.
Redemption time. You need to work for me, please. Please, please, please. I really want to catch a fish on it. I've caught one fish in my life on this thing. Got him. That's so cool.
On the spy bait. Ah, I missed him.
Yes, dude. So cool. All right, buddy. I'm going to get this out of you.
Ooh. Cool.
All right.
How hard can you fish hit it and still not get the hook? It's okay, he came back. God damn.
Yeah, that was strong, huh? I watched that.
Oh my God, he ate it.
Oh,
It's
wow.
gone.
Hey, right on the bank?
No, like out at the bottom of it. I missed him. I killed it. I was talking to you for a second. I look back and my line is like, hell yeah, thanks buddy. Oh, you are bleeding
Felt
like
that one.
jig?
But, yep. There's that one. There. Oh my God.
Oh yeah, buddy.
Little 3 pound. Popped over rock and he just thump.
Yep. 60.
Yeah. Look how fat that little is.
Ooh.
Get him.
God damn, that was a bite.
It's a good fish.
Hell yeah, a little better. I need to retie this. It's been a while. A whole 3 fish. 69. Nice.
Nice. Just keep going.
Come on.
I don't know what that was. I don't even know if it was fish or not.
An amateur hour.
Yeah, well, I am an amateur.
You have a jersey. Are you sure?
I did bring it. Oh my God.
That's how I did
I
it.
lifted up and I dropped it back down and I started lifting back up again and he was on it. I didn't even feel him bite it. He's missing an eye. Or his eyes, he's blind. Are you in? Are you stuck?
Yeah.
All right. Can
Can you see that rock out quite a ways? Oh, got another one. 73.
What, this one right here?
Yeah, that one.
What trailer do you have on?
I put the Strike King Rage Craw that time. Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, buddy. Okay, we don't need to move. Ooh.
Yeah, he's kind of big, dude. That, I don't give a
No. Oh, you're animal.
He was out deeper. I cast like straight out,
Nice.
like parallel with the bank. That's a good fish.
That's another 3. I thought it was a 4 when he first came up.
3 1/4 probably. 3.6.
Is he really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Dragging, rock. Thunk. And I missed him, and then I just kept dragging, and then he came back and smoked it. That was sick.
I mean, that looks like it. Yeah, yeah, I see the cinder block. Okay. I churned it all up, dude. I can't see it as clear as I could before. Not as big as I thought. Oops.
Oh, no.
Thanks. She actually swam in the net. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Ooh. I was convinced I was not going to get that.
That was much skinny.
That's not even going to be close.
One hell of a hook set.
Oh, thanks. Hey, hey, hey.
That was cool though. That hook set. Got him.
Yeah, buddy.
It's a little big to flip.
In the bread basket, please. Bread basket, please.
Trying to
Look at that
basket the bread.
Basket. 78.
We must be professionals because we can catch them out of their homes.
About to turn this right back around. Yeah.
Oh, pull drag. Still pulling drag.
You see, fish are mean.
That's a good fish.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, that might.
85.
That's heavy, dude. Like that's a thick, solid fish.
It's probably 3.5. Yeah?
Yep.
Hell yeah.
What the fuck? Oh my god, dude.
Did you get the drum?
I think I got a drum. I got a drum!
Dude, I don't think my net is gonna be able to bring that in.
I don't think so either, dude. He's pulling drag. Like. Oh my god, dude, this fish is huge. Oh! Holy. Dude, that thing's like 20 pounds. Okay, this is gonna take a while.
I'm pretty sure it's bigger than that, dude.
I got a drum, dude.
I wonder if we should go run him down.
No.
I really don't want you to break that off.
I got him pretty good. Oh my god.
You need to pick, like, are you kidding me? Dude.
Holy dude.
Looks like it belongs in the ocean.
Well, technically they do.
Shit.
God. Oh, what the hell is it? It's not a tumor.
It's not a tumor.
It actually is a tumor. Come here, bud. Oh yeah, look at his teeth things down in there.
Uh-huh. Don't stick your hand in there.
I'm not. Ooh, butthole.
Yeah, it's just... Turn a little towards me.
It's heavy.
Dude. 15.
15. Oh my god. Bye, buddy. Thank you. There's like a log or... It almost looks like the rails. Oh, it might be rails.
Got him.
You do?
Yep. God. I don't even think he's that big. Nope, not at all.
Okay. Well,
That's not what I saw. I saw a smallie. 91.
91.
Yep. Yes. That's a bit better.
You good or?
I'll still flip him like a champ.
Okay.
Wait a minute. 98.
98. 2 more.
99, buddy.
My arm's getting tired. Get in here.
99. Oh my god. That's 100.
Yeah, number 100. It counts.
99 and a half.
99 and, yeah, I'd say more of a quarter, but.
There it is. Get up in here. Time to dinner.
Oh, man.
101.
101.
Yeah, buddy. 102.
I got right in between those two posts.
Really? That was nothing short of magical.
I'm tired.
I bet. Well, you did a lot of heavy lifting in the last
So did
hour.
you.
102 fish and what is it? 4 pound 2 ounce smallie, 4 pound 1 ounce largie, 4 pound largie, 4 pound 12 ounce smallie, 4 pound 5 ounce largie. Quick maths. I mean, it's over 20 pounds, almost like 20 and a half on our best 5 to go with 102 fish. We're done. We're going to get some food. We're going to wrap up. We're going to do another day tomorrow. We might go, I don't even know where the hell we're going to go, but I think TJ from Smallmouth Freaks is going to join us. Yeah, I don't know, you see it in day 4. Thank you all for watching. Greatly appreciate it as always. Don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment too, let us know what you thought, and we'll catch you in the next one.